Welcome. If you want to set up alarm clock in your Motorola One Action, at the first you have to open your clock application. So we can find it on the main screen or in the main menu. And right now we have to switch for the alarm on the left corner. And here we get the two default alarms, so we can activate one of them and we are going to adjust it. So click here, and right now we can set up the repeat. We can also set up the days. We can change the ringtone, turn on vibration. We can add the label, and also we can set up the Google Assistant routine. So when we click here, after the loading, we'll be able to set up, for example, the music from the Spotify. We can also get the information about the weather. So as you can see here, we can adjust a lot of things. You can set up whatever you want. So if you would like to listen to podcasts after the alarm, you can also do this by tapping on the switcher. And then if you set up everything, you have to click save, tap allow. And as you can see, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.